Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of a plus b, where a plus ab plus b is equal to 18 and a or b also integer. We have given a plus ab plus b is equal to 18, or rearranging it we can write here ab plus a plus b is equal to 18, or taking common a to first two term we will get a bracket b plus 1 plus b, and adding 1 to both sides we can write here 1 is equal to 18 plus 1, or a times b plus 1 plus, taking common 1 here we can write b plus 1 is equal to 18 plus 1 is equal to 19, or taking common b plus 1 we can write here b plus 1 times a plus 1 is equal to 19, or rearranging it we can write here a plus 1 times b plus 1 is equal to, this 19 can be written as 1 times 19 and negative 1 times negative 19 for integer solution. Now comparing both sides we can write a plus 1 is equal to 1 and b plus 1 is equal to 19, or a plus 1 is equal to 19 and b plus 1 is equal to 1, or a plus 1 is equal to negative 1 and b plus 1 is equal to negative 19, or a plus 1 is equal to negative 19 and b plus 1 is equal to negative 1. Now adding these two equations for these two cases we can write a plus 1 plus b plus 1 is equal to 1 plus 19 for these two cases, or a plus b plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 is equal to 19 plus 1 is equal to 20, or a plus b, taking this 2 to right side we will get 20 minus 2, so the value of a plus b is equal to 18, and here adding these two equations for these two cases we will get a plus 1 plus b plus 1 is equal to negative 1 plus negative 19, or a plus b plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 and negative 1 plus times negative is equal to negative 19, or a plus b plus 2 is equal to negative 20, or a plus b is equal to negative 20, this 2 here we will got negative 2, so the value of a plus b is equal to negative 22. Thank you for the watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.